Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll learn how to organize your collection with the section List of Collections. Let's start by adding a list of collection from the menu Content and Design, Content, Section. Click on Add a Section and select List of Collections. Give a name to your list. For me it will be Shop. Now let's choose the image to illustrate the list from your computer or from our Unsplash library. Voila. Select the status, publish or not published. Last step, the metadata, title, descriptions and URL. Don't forget to save. We can now start filling this section. Go back to the section menu. You can see here all the collections in my shop as well as my section list of collections that I named shop. You simply need to drag and drop the collections in the list like this. And that's it. You can modify the design of your list of collection from here or from the menu Content and Design, Section Design. Let's see how the list looks like in a shop. Voila! You now know how to organize your collection by list. See you very soon for another tutorial.